The staggering reality of youth wealth. The average person spends a decade trying to reach their first $100,000 in net worth, a milestone often delayed significantly by paralyzing student debt and rampant lifestyle inflation across global economies. I was convinced the traditional, slow path of simple saving was utterly insufficient in this era of constant economic disruption and technological acceleration. The fundamental question that separates the successful minority from the struggling majority is whether this six-figure goal requires exceptional luck or simply an unconventional strategy that defies current norms. The crucial identity shift. My first non-negotiable step required abandoning the ingrained, destructive consumer identity and consciously adopting the disciplined mindset of an owner and investor, focused relentlessly on preserving and exponentially growing capital. I needed to view every single dollar or euro not as immediate spending power, but as a future employee whose sole function is generating perpetual passive, compounding returns for the ultimate portfolio. Without this deep psychological pivot, no financial tactic can succeed, forcing us to ask, how does one effectively reprogram years of societal conditioning that encourages instant gratification? Income velocity versus income volume. Most people wrongly focus their entire effort on increasing their income volume, believing a high salary alone guarantees wealth. Yet the velocity, the speed at which that income transforms into productive revenue-generating assets, is the true, unspoken metric. I learned to automate the instant transfer of a large portion of every paycheck into investment accounts before it could be spent, completely eliminating the temptation for casual consumption. This aggressive habit maximizes the capital's time in the volatile market, relentlessly capturing the massive, accelerating benefits of compound growth crucial in the early years. The power of geo-arbitrage. Understanding that earning potential can be completely decoupled from consumption location became a profound tool for accelerating my personal savings rate far beyond local limitations imposed by expensive urban living costs worldwide. By earning high-value currency through remote digital work and strategically residing in regions with a dramatically lower cost of living, I was able to inflate my disposable income and direct a significantly greater percentage toward early investments. This powerful strategic exploitation of global economic disparities, often called geo-arbitrage, accelerates the timeline toward reaching major financial goals far quicker than remaining anchored to a single, high-cost city. The skill of minimalist lifestyle design. The key to unlocking massive savings wasn't winning the lottery, but deliberately adopting an intentional, minimalist lifestyle design that ruthlessly eliminated all non-essential and depreciating expenditures from my monthly budget. This was a conscious choice to optimize spending only on items that genuinely contributed to my freedom and future wealth, deliberately avoiding the financial performance required to keep up with crippling social expectations. By aggressively minimizing recurring fixed costs, I significantly lowered the overall financial pressure required to simply survive, allowing my accelerated savings rate to function like a rapidly growing second income stream. The crucial test of the first loss. The journey toward achieving a six-figure net worth always involves the terrifying, deeply unsettling reality of the first major market correction, where accumulated gains are suddenly wiped out by a global economic event or a catastrophic downturn. This emotional test immediately separates the disciplined long-term investor, who views volatility as an opportunity to buy cheap assets, from the novice who panic sells their position and permanently locks in losses out of profound, undeniable fear. Building strong emotional resilience and maintaining unwavering commitment to the original investment thesis is far more important than any specific market timing ability or stock-picking skill. Diversification beyond traditional baskets to mitigate the risk of failure and capture a broader spectrum of global economic growth potential. My initial strategy required diversification far beyond the standard basket of local stocks and government bonds, intentionally venturing into alternative, often undervalued asset classes worldwide. This critical process included exploring international exchange-traded funds, ETFs, focused on global infrastructure, carefully selecting global real estate investment trusts, REITs, and reserving a small researched allocation toward inflation hedges like precious metals or high-quality collectibles. This crucial structural layering of assets, each with a different risk profile, created a significantly more resilient portfolio capable of navigating different geopolitical environments without total systemic failure. Automating the tax advantage. A foundational yet universally overlooked component of the accelerated wealth strategy is the meticulous, proactive automation of tax advantages provided by various government-sponsored savings vehicles designed to encourage long-term capital accumulation in stable markets. Maximizing contributions to these tax-advantaged accounts, where growth compounds tax-free or contributions are deductible, ensures the investor keeps a much larger portion of their annual returns, effectively generating an instantaneous guaranteed return superior to most market investments. This strategic optimization demands merely understanding the local legal framework and consistently employing simple automation tools. The Side Hustle Accelerator. While optimizing spending and investing is crucial for long-term growth, the fastest path to inject immediate, massive amounts of fuel into the compounding engine involves dedicating focused time toward developing and scaling high-leverage side income streams that can be efficiently operated remotely. These supplementary ventures, often centered around creating digital products or providing specialized remote services globally, generate immediate capital that is directly routed into investments, bypassing the necessary expenditure allocations of the primary income source. The side hustle's entire purpose is to serve as a powerful financial accelerator, rapidly bridging the critical gap between a modest initial investment base and the inevitable critical mass required for compounding to truly take over the heavy lifting. Scaling the net worth beyond $100K. Achieving the initial $100,000 net worth milestone represents a crucial psychological victory, proving the system works. But the immediate scaling phase demands a critical shift in strategy, moving away from hyper-aggressive savings and toward the intelligent deployment of capital across fewer, higher conviction assets. At this elevated level of capital, the focus decisively shifts from accumulating small savings to managing risk and optimizing leverage for multifaceted growth, often involving larger, structured investments or building out a portfolio of reliable dividend-paying global securities. The new primary goal becomes maximizing the efficiency of every capital unit, ensuring the impressive returns generated by the assets themselves, now the dominant income source, are continuously reinvested into the expanding empire. The true value of optionality, the ultimate non-monetary return on the discipline required to build a six-figure net worth before the age of 30, is the creation of irreversible personal optionality, the profound and exhilarating freedom to make all major life decisions based on desire, purpose, and personal fulfillment. This wealth provides the genuine ability to leave an undesirable job, relocate to a better country, pursue a passionate, lower-paying venture, or simply take extended time off for personal development, transforming the investor from a financial victim into a sovereign, independent actor. The time gained and the complete reduction in daily financial anxiety are priceless benefits that easily eclipse the simple monetary figure itself. The non-negotiable first step. The journey toward financial sovereignty requires one non-negotiable step: transcending the mere consumption of financial content and transitioning immediately into the disciplined, measurable execution of a written personal plan, tailored specifically to your current income and unique geographic reality. Do not allow the analysis paralysis of seeking the perfect investment to prevent you from taking the crucial first action, because the greatest cost in the game of compounding is always the time lost to inaction, which can never be recovered or negotiated. If this cinematic exploration of the accelerated wealth blueprint resonated with your drive for financial independence, please like the video, comment below with the single most important habit you will implement today, and subscribe for the relentless insights you need to build your generational wealth.